Hey guys, thanks for joining me here on my channel. I am here today to talk to you about something a little bit personal that I have been using that might be uncomfortable for some of you to talk about. But I'm going to do it anyway because I think it's important to share products that we use, especially if we love them, and spread the word because there are tons of products out there and I think us girls need to help each other out whenever we can. So, you've heard me talk about this brand before. It's called HighOh, and they make reusable menstrual pads. So I've talked about the original period starter kit, and I'll link the information to that below. But they just released a new product, so this is their heavy flow overnight pads. So just like their original ones, these are reusable. Simply throw them in the wash, dry them, and then they're ready to use again. And what's great about these is they're a lot longer than their original pads. So it's great for sleeping. You don't have to worry about any leaks anywhere. And because it's made or infused with bamboo, it also absorbs odors, which is great. So you can be completely worry-free while you sleep, which helps you get a good night's sleep. It also helps relieve menstrual cramps. So you're less likely to be uncomfortable throughout the night. And then what's great also about reusable menstrual pads is the cost savings. You don't have to worry about whether or not you have any left in your bathroom. You know you always have some on hand. And they last for 3 to 4 years, so you don't have to worry about constantly replacing these. Another thing that I love, environmentally friendly. You all know that I'm also a fan of the menstrual cup or the Diva cup. And this is just a great alternative too if I don't feel like using it, or if I want to sleep and be a little bit more comfortable. These are also great for travel. So I don't know if I'm doing this right, but what I do is I fold them up like so into a tight, nice little bundle. And so then you just snap it closed. And it comes with this waterproof travel bag. So you can just fold a couple of these up, throw it in the bag, and you're good to go for traveling. So really easy to use, and I just absolutely love these kind of products. It saves you money, it's good for the environment, it's better for your health. There's no reason not to try these. So if you have tried these, I'd love to hear your thoughts below. If you're new to these and haven't tried them, feel free to ask me any questions that you want. I will leave the links and everything for you down below.